Hey, this is Grace. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Today I'm gonna introduce this bonus Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers with multi-stage half-century. Tesla Model 3 is one of the most popular electric cars in recent years. Some owners want their Tesla to be outstanding. One of the most common modifications is to install wheel spacers. The installation steps are also very simple. The first step is to remove the wheel. The second step is to remove the rust on the wheel hub assembly. The third step is to install and tighten the nut. The final step is to install and tighten the wheel. A simple modification is complete. For detailed installation steps, please pay attention to the link described below. So what is the multi-stage half-century? Installing the multi-stage half-century wheel spacers can provide higher stability. The multi-stage means that the center ring has a three-level structure, and each layer has a corresponding angle of the hub assembly, which can make it correspond to each layer fit better and can withstand greater internal stress. Compared with the common spacers have only one layer. Bonus has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Safety and quality are always the focus of Bonus. Professional, safety, responsible, high performance, and cost effects are the reason why Bonus become the choice of many customers. If you want to buy this Bonus Tesla Model 3 wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.